Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb, and the little black cat behind me that you're seeing is Inigo. He's my Skyrim companion brought to life. So this is the Lethal Cosmetics Black Spring palette. This has just arrived and the colour story is interesting. Let me show you. So there's a whole range of shinies and mattes and some brights, some pastels and some darks. So there's a lot going on in this palette. I ummed and ahed about it because honestly, in times gone by, I have not been that impressed with Lethal shimmers, simply because they're not as shiny as a lot of other brands that I prefer. However, this did intrigue me, so let's get down and have a closer look and swatch this beautiful thing. There's one shade in particular that does look really interesting. Okay, we'll do the mattes first with this deep, dark midwinter shade, which is a kind of really dark teal, which almost looks black until you put a black next to it. And then you can really see the difference in the undertone there. And then this beautiful pink, which is just lovely. The red, it's a kind of burgundy shade. Beautiful. And then this purple grey, which is called Pallor. The lemon, which is truly light, super pretty. The green. And then this sort of chartreuse colour. And then finally Rebirth, which is a really bright magenta. Probably the only shade in the palette that I won't use. The rest are lovely. All right, then we've got 6 shimmers. The first one is called Shiver. And that is a very pale blue with a translucent base that goes almost yellowy. Next to that, this in the top left corner, it's a translucent gold called Equinox. Then First Bloom, which looks orangey. Oh, wow, but it isn't. Okay, so I'm seeing green and you're seeing a sort of gold colour. You can see it's orange. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, what a lovely shade that is. Much, much more impactful than I expected. And then New Dawn. Beautiful pink peach. Verdant, which looks green as all hell. Oh my god. Seriously. And then the shade that's most intriguing to me, this last Ember. And that one looks like that. Okay, that goes for Miles. It's green, it's grey, it's purple, and a bit silver. That is stunning. Okay, their shimmers have improved enormously. I noticed it in their last Airbender palettes. I got the Air one, and they were really a whole step up from their old formula. Let me show you. Okay, so here in this book is where I keep all my Lethal shadows. I did clear out, when I did my declutter, I did clear out a whole bunch which were here in this section. I kept some of the mattes and got rid of the rest. But you can see that their shimmer formula, even these metals, the really, really shiny ones, well, they were at the time. I mean, they're a step up from their old original formula, which was so much more uninteresting to me. You know, they just weren't that great, apart from this one that is quite lovely iridescent. Let me show you. That's got way more shine, right? And these metals also pretty damn good. But yeah, they have improved over the years. The rest are very dull. For example, let's take, I don't know, any of these shades. This one, and that green. And we'll just pop them here. And you can see straight away that they're much more of a satin quality compared to these. So yeah, I am pleased about that. I didn't care, despite the fact that I have a few, I didn't really care for their old formula, although as you see, I did love their mats because, yeah, there was a time when I used to collect them. All right then. Well, I think that covers just about everything. Well done, Lethal. I really love your formula in this, and next time I see a colour story that I enjoy, I'll for sure pick it up. All right then, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.